Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gadget Shows for You with another exciting video about the Galaxy Watch 7. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. The first impression matters. The Galaxy Watch 7 definitely makes a good one. The sleek design and the comfortable fit are immediately standouts. Let's see what else this watch has to offer. The watch faces are customizable and visually appealing. Samsung has done a great job of providing a variety of options to suit different styles. It is made up of aluminum. The size of the watch is 44.4 mm into 44.4 mm into 9.7 mm. The display is bright, clear, and responsive. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. The box comes with the user guide manual and a charger for the smartwatch. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 arrives in sleek, minimalistic packing. Sliding off the lid reveals the watch itself, gleaming in its silver finish. It's instant clear that the Samsung has prioritized a sleek, modern design with a focus on functionality. The included sports band in a vibrant gray, silver, and green adds a pop-up of color, while its 20 mm standard size ensures compatibility with a wide range of aftermarket straps. The watch feels impressively light on the wrist, suggesting comfort during its extended wear. Let's turn on the watch and see how it looks. But if you're turning on your watch for the first time, you have to plug in your charger to turn it on. Once you power on your watch after completing the initial steps, it will bring you to a pop-up where you have to continue on your phone for the further steps. Let's check out the setup on the cell phone. Open Galaxy Wearable app on the phone. Press the plus sign on the right top corner. The app will search for the new watch and the name of the watch will appear in the list. The search will take 15 to 20 seconds to look up for the watch. Once the name of the watch appears in the list, select the watch name. The next step is to match the number on the watch and the phone. Once both numbers are same, you can press the confirm button. Now the app started downloading the software, which will help to run the watch seamlessly. Let's wait until the software downloaded 100%. Once software download is finished, now watch requires your Google account to sign in order to proceed. If you don't have a Google account, you can create a new one, or if you have an existing Google account, you can use that to proceed. I already have a Google account, so I will use the same account to proceed and complete the setup. After signing into the Google account, just agree to the terms and conditions. Now this option shows that your watch will be automatically back up from time to time once it's connected to the phone, which will make it easier to restore on the new watches. Now it prompted for some more options regarding the permission. I leave it on default and just press allow. Now it's asking to restore your backup from your previous watch, but I will skip this step. Now we have an option to set up wearing preferences. Is it either right or left? I like smartwatch on my right hand, therefore I will select the right hand. Now we have some more options regarding health. Just press next on it. Now this option shows that you can use a double pinch to control your watch. For example, you can pinch twice to answer the call, dismiss alert, play sound, or stop music, or take a photo while opening the camera. You can also dial 911 in case of emergency. We are at the last step of setting up the watch. Once it's 100% complete, our watch will be fully set up. Our setup on the phone for the watch is complete now. Let's go back on the watch and check out. Now our watch is ready to use. If we swipe from right to left, we will see the application, and if we swipe from left to right, we will see all the notifications. You can connect different band with the watch as well. As far as the size is same, you can connect any band with this. In my case, I have a black band from Samsung, which is 20 mm. To replace the band on the watch, just press the button on the band and pull. The size of the display is 1.47 inch with a resolution of 480 pixel into 480 pixel, which is 327 pixel per inch. With sapphire crystal display, it has 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. Health and fitness are big focus for smartwatches, and the Galaxy Watch 7 delivers. Health rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and stress management features are all on point. Plus, the integration with Samsung Health is seamless. Beyond health, the Galaxy Watch 7 is a capable companion for your smartphone. With a wide range of apps and notifications, you can stay connected and productive on the go. Battery life is crucial for any smartwatch. The Galaxy Watch 7 holds up well, offering decent endurance between charges. The wireless charging feature is a convenient bonus. The watch has 425 mAh battery for long-term use. The Galaxy Watch 7 is a solid choice for those seeking a stylish and functional smartwatch. It has 2 buttons and a digital bezel. It offers a blend of health tracking, smart features, and comfortable design. While it might not revolutionize the smartwatch market, it's definitely hold its own. What are your thoughts on Galaxy Watch 7? Let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.